All right, today we're gonna do a unboxing of the Maven 65mm CS1 Spotting scope. So here we go. So you get this nice little box. They definitely do their high quality feel on things. Got a very nice box here as well. Undo this. They definitely want to give you a premium feel to their product. Bam. Okay. Get a little user guide here on the CS series. Okay, now one thing that I really like about the Maven products is they always have this nifty little bag. It always reminds me kind of a Crown Royal bag feel, but very nice. There's nothing else in the box. All right, now let's see this bad boy. Very nice. Okay, we know that one's made in China. It's very simple. I'll give them this for a direct consumer brand. All of their stuff is very simple. I do like this as well. Got the rotating collar. All right. Very nice. It's very light, not that long. Let's see how long this thing is. So it's about 1 foot long. All right, put it a little bit closer to you here so you can see it. Start at 0, and if we were to go up here straight, so it's about 11.5 inches. Okay, so that's very cool. Circumference wise, what do we have? At the peak. Let's go at the peak. Okay, it's about 8.5 inches. There you go. Let's get the weight on it now. Zero that out. And there you see it. So it's roughly 2 pounds, 10 ounces. So that would put it at 42 ounces for the whole thing. Maybe a little bit less. And again, and you can buy a case for this. It's going to add a few ounces to it, but Maven does sell a case for it that you can wrap this bad boy in if you feel like you're going to drop it or you want a little bit more cushion. With that said, well, there you have it. The Maven CS1 scope. If you like the video, please subscribe, give it a like, and add some comments if you have any questions. I'd love to answer them for you. Thanks so much. Till next time, remember to scout, hunt, and repeat.